Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove background from a picture. From here, search for Paint 3D. Paint 3D, new. Okay, then from here, browse files. Here I have a picture, for example, this picture, I bring this one. Then find magic selection. From magic selection, bring this one to around the object that I want to extract. Okay, then next, if you see it determined the picture almost completely, but you see here it's not determined, so click this add, zoom in, yes, good. Also add now it's good. Then autofill background or autofill, I select autofill, otherwise is a location of the extracted image will be clear, but when you autofill directly, it autofill the location of the image. Done. Good. Now you see you can remove the image to anywhere you want. From here, right click, copy. You can bring it to Word. You see? Also, you can copy to PowerPoint, Excel. That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.